How to log in to Hong Leong Online Banking. So if you want to log into the Hong Leong Bank, then what you need to do is first open up your browser, or if you have the related application, you can simply go with the application itself. So if you're with your browser, you just need to simply go with hlb.com.my and hit the enter, and you'll get this kind of interface. Now just go with the upper right, which has that online banking option. Tap on it and then go with personal option. Once you tap on personal, you need to go with the upper side, which has no thanks. Proceed to connect online banking. Now just remove the ad and you'll get this kind of interface where you just need to simply enter your username. So enter the username on the first blank, or just go with register for online banking if you've not registered, and you need to have a registered email address, your debit card or your principal credit card, or your loan or financing account number. So just scroll down and enter your ID type, which is you can simply go with the IC number or red IC number, green IC number, passport number, or foreign IC number, and then enter your ID number and go with next and just proceed with the following steps, and you will be able to register to your online banking and use it. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.